Your business plan is the foundation of your business. Learn how to write a business plan quickly and efficiently with a business plan template. There's no right or wrong way to write a business plan. What's important is that your plan meets your needs. Most business plans fall into one of two common categories: traditional or lean startup. Traditional business plans are more common, use a standard structure, and encourage you to go into detail in each section. They tend to require more work upfront and can be dozens of pages long. Lean startup business plans are less common but still use a standard structure. They focus on summarizing only the most important points of the key elements of your plan. They can take as little as 1 hour to make and are typically only one page. You decide which business plan template is best for your business model. Thank you for joining Your Business Consultant. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more small business ideas, tips, and motivation.